How can the data science world sort of help to build towards, understanding that vision?
Well, I think first they need to be passionate about the industry itself. And I think that's important, not just having great data science skills and knowing data. You have to understand the industry and what questions it's asking. One thing that I see that I do think needs to be corrected is there are data scientists that are chained to their computers, and I think they need to be with the team that's actually, for instance, that might be helpful for them to sit in an investment committee decision and see what factors are being discussed and how some of this information could be used. Because then they could suggest and say, you know what, you didn't ask for this, but I think I can do this, and it seems like it would be of value in that meeting, you let me participate in.